next video. So this is another blog post from Kotlin. So the K2 compiler is going stable in Kotlin 2.0. So we have been working on a new front end for the Kotlin compiler code named K2 for quite a while. The front end is part of the compiler that parses your code and performs a semantic analysis, data flow analysis, call resolution and type inference. This is part of the compiler that you the developer interact with the most. It's also part of the compiler that continuously runs inside your IDE, reports all errors and warning messages, and help you with tasks like auto completion, semantic aware inspection, intentions and refactorings. Okay, we have decided to name this future release Kotlin 2.0. Keep reading on. Okay, what is Kotlin 2.0 release map? We plan to release one more traditionally version release as Kotlin 1.9, which will also include updates from ongoing development of the K2 compiler frontend as it approaches stabilization. There will be no Kotlin 1.10. The next major version after 1.9 will be 2.0. Why Kotlin 2.0? The technical details. Okay, the route to K2 compiler is a good place to start. Major version is often incremented when major features or breaking changes are introduced. For software programmer, major version can be incremented whenever anything is substantially rewritten to signify a major rework. Will it break my code? The Kotlin changes with every language version update. New cool language features get introduced, old bugs get fixed. We also try to minimize the number and impact of breaking changes and follow the Kotlin language evolution process. Kotlin 2.0 will be no different in that respect. We are consciously avoiding introducing any new features in Kotlin 2.0. The rewrite of the Kotlin compiler frontend is a considerable change and introduces a number of improvements just by itself. For one, the new data flow analysis algorithm is more precise and leads to better smart cars that were possible before. We are committed to minimizing the impact of migrating your code from Kotlin 1.9 to 2.0. We will keep you updated on the Kotlin 2.0 stabilization process and provide you with ample time to try out Kotlin 2.0 on your projects in advance so you can report any regression that we might have missed in our testing. What about IDE support for Kotlin 2? The Kotlin IDE plugin is bundled into IntelliJ IDE and Android Studio Update. It includes a new copy of the Kotlin compiler frontend for the semantic analysis of your code, but that is not the version of the Kotlin compiler that is used to actually compile your code. The actual version of the compiler is determined by the settings in your build file. What to expect after 2.0? New architecture of the Kotlin 2.0 compiler frontend enables clean implementation of many cool new features. Some of the features, okay, context receivers are already available for preview in the old compiler frontend, but they won't be turned on in Kotlin 2.0 by default. Instead, they will remain in the preview stage. Stabilization of new feature will happen in future Kotlin 2.x releases. When will we have Kotlin 3.0? We don't know yet. We are tentatively discussing lots of big changes to the language in the future, especially the most popular request from last Kotlin feature survey. So I think the K2 compiler is a replacement for capped. Like I'm talking from Android development perspective. Apart from Android, I have not used Kotlin in any other domain. So yeah, looking forward to how other libraries will handle. Like I know Dagger and Hilt are relying a lot on capped, so it would be interesting to see if they support it as well or not. I think that is the last major library which is remaining for supporting K2 compiler, if I'm not mistaken. I think rest all popular libraries are already migrated from Google, but I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments. Thanks, bye.